Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to disable the new Siri on iOS 27 and go back to the previous one. If you would like, you can revert to the old Siri by simply, you can see I currently have the new one. If I want, I can go to the settings and go to Siri. Then I can turn it off, click on turn off, and then go up, click on turn on, and you use the previous version. Then click on continue and continue, and now you can see I have the old Siri. So this is what how it works. And now remember that option to switch back to the old Siri will be probably available only until September or maybe a bit later, because currently the new Siri is in beta testing, so it can be reverted to the old version, but later on it may be impossible to revert it later. So that is something to keep in mind, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.